is Bosch, the cordless finish nailer that professionals and serious DIYers have been waiting for. In today's review, we'll look at how Bosch combines precision, power, and convenience in this model and see if it's the right choice for your next project. Bosch's finish nailer has a compact, durable design that speaks to Bosch's commitment to ergonomics and long-lasting tools. The tool is built with a 34-degree angled magazine, allowing better access in tight or awkward spaces, which is ideal for installing trim, crown molding, and similar applications. The all-black finish gives it a professional look, while the grip is designed with minimal recoil and balanced weight distribution to reduce fatigue during extended use. The finish nailer packs a brushless motor for efficient power delivery and durability, which drives nails consistently into dense materials, including hardwoods, without needing an air compressor. Its cordless design frees you from hoses and cables, allowing unrestricted movement around the job site. The one-handed activation feature streamlines operation, and the tool's wide-view contact tip enhances precision by offering a clear sightline, reducing accidental nail placement and surface damage. Bosch also adds depth control through an ergonomic thumb wheel, letting users make quick adjustments for a precise finish. 2 firing modes, sequential and bump fire, make this nailer adaptable to different project demands. Use the sequential mode for detailed, careful work, or switch to bump fire for faster, repetitive nailing. The tool's dry fire lockout prevents blank firing, preserving the life of both the tool and work material. The LED work light is a practical addition for working in dimly lit spaces. Compared to similar models like the DeWalt or the Makita, the Bosch stands out for its balance of features and ergonomic design. While DeWalt also offers a reliable depth control system, Bosch's amp-share compatible battery offers broader compatibility across Bosch's lineup, potentially giving it an edge for those already invested in the Bosch ecosystem. Makita's is another strong cordless contender but lacks Bosch's user-focused interface and sightline enhancements, making Bosch a better option for projects requiring high accuracy. Priced around $440, this Bosch finish nailer positions itself competitively within the premium cordless market. While higher than some alternatives, the robust build quality and feature set provide solid value, particularly for pros who value efficiency and accuracy. Find this model on Amazon for a convenient purchase with the link in our video description. Let's look at what might make or break this tool for different users. The cons: heavier than some models, which could cause fatigue. Higher price points may deter budget-conscious buyers. Short battery life with a 2.0 amp-hour battery. Improved performance with 4.0 amp-hours. The pros: brushless motor for durable, efficient operation. Dual firing modes for precision or speed. Tool-free depth adjustment ensures professional results. Cordless design for flexibility without compressors or hoses. Amp-share battery compatibility supports cross-tool usage. Wide-view contact tip and LED lights for enhanced accuracy. If you're ready to add the Bosch to your toolkit, check out the Amazon link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions about this finish nailer. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next review.